Hello, so I wanted to do another cocktail video, and today I want to show you how to make a fishbowl. Normally when people make these, they make them in a very large bowl and they add like nuts to act as candy gravel or Swedish fish or other gummy fish. I won't be doing any of that. I'm just going to make a single serving in a long drink glass. No frills other than that, just a cocktail. So first you want to start with preferably a blue tropical fruit liqueur. I already have a shot measured out here. It's going in. A shot and a half each of vodka, the coconut rum. I've also seen recipes that don't use a coconut rum. Instead, they use any silver rum and then they add some coconut water or pineapple juice to the drink to give it a more specific tropical fruit flavor. A flute flavor, yes, a flute flavor. And finally, about a quarter of a shot of lemon juice. Preferably, I would use freshly squeezed, but it can be a bit difficult to squeeze a quarter of a shot of a lemon. So that goes in. By the way, I'm using a cocktail shaker. It's entirely optional. Make sure it's actually on, and then give it a good shake. You'll notice I'm not particularly good at it because I'm filming this in a really awkward angle, and also, yeah, I'm just not that good at it yet. And look at that amazing deep blue color. Finally, you want to take Sprite, 7-Up, or just any lemon and lime flavored soda to top it off. And there it is. It may not look as decorative as the big fish bowls filled with candy gravel and Swedish fish, but that's a fish bowl. That's how I like to make my fish bowls. The bit of lemon juice definitely gives it a bit more of a zing, of a tang, instead of just the overwhelming sweetness of all of these liqueurs. And yeah, I highly recommend it. Don't drink if you're underage. Please drink responsibly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.